Hello viewers, how are you all doing? My name is Noel Akam Jr. Just at the conclusion of 2023 general election, Lagos State government decided to take a decision that they feel that in their own wisdom was going to reduce the numbers of non-indigenous in Lagos so that politically they cannot decide what happens in Lagos due to the outcome of 2023 general election. What did they do? They decided to quietly and systematically demolition the houses in Lagos, targeting the areas where non-indigenous are popularly dominated. The agency in charge of this exercise is called Lagos State Building and Control. They will come to a particular area, look at the building, give reasons why the building must go down, and they don't give the occupant time to relocate. When they say this building must go down, they are talking about in 2 hours. And once they say it, you think they're joking. They're not. Just like the same way a landlord cannot evict a tenant without court order. That's the same way government, Lagos State government, does not have right to demolish anybody's property without court order. But here we are. They demolish properties in Lagos randomly without court order. The least they can do is to give you reasons why the place must go down, or the reasons why they build in a legal way, or the reasons why the structure that they put there is not what they're supposed to put there because of Lagos State master plan. And on the other hand, when you check most of these things, you see that it's still the same government that are giving these people approval to build. Most of these properties that are demolition have C of O's. You have government documents issued by Lagos State government, but in turn they will come back and give you reason and bring it down. This thing was going on and on until recently, sometime around last year, they decided to invade Iyanoworo, destroy the Iyanoworo, displace the occupants and the residents in that locality without plan to relocate them. Thousands of innocent Lagosians displace them. No plan on where they are going to stay. Today we are talking about Yaba Makoko. That place has been brought down, demolished, just for innocent protesters to protest in front of Lagos State House of Assembly. What did police do? They tear gas them, catch the ones they can catch, and charge them to court. I would like you to see the outcome aftermath of the recent protests that took place in Alausa Ikeja, where protesters went to Alausa Ikeja precisely in front of Lagos State House of Assembly to protest and demand for immediate stop of unlawful demolition in Lagos State. This is what the people got.
Vicky, Alpha. I did all right. They shot one guy on the leg. Are they there? They shot one guy, one of the protesters. We are close to where we gathered. Yes, I'm close to where we gathered.
Alpha, when I see what the police do us for last year, we can't protest. Our protest, we can't protest. So for last year, they throw tigers. They can't shoot this guy for leg. They shoot him for leg for last year. After they talk like this, they see they try to pursue us. They shoot him for leg. Now the guy face with this. Now I say with this. So all our eyes they pay us like this for last year. Now protest, we can't protest. So they collect all those journalists camera. They collect their camera so that they don't feel post anything online. When I see for last year.
Where's the hospital?
For last year.
Yeah, we are hospital today.
I don't know. I think we are speaking for you. Where go fit carry go? For last year, for National Assembly. So be National Assembly they call.
Where go?
I don't know. We don't feel it for now. We don't believe on it. Come on, enter bus. Come.
Express.
Go.
Who get bet? No get bet.
I don't get bet.
Wait.
Police, you allow stand. Nigeria police. They shoot that for them.
Wait.
Emergency.
Are you doing video?
Yes.
Please, I need the video.
Emergency.
I can't find my videographer. We were together now. Where is Raymond?
Emergency.
After your picture. Wait. Hold on, Ross, before you type.
Emergency. Stay bullet. You have to leave this place down in the conduct. Stay bullet. You have to leave. No, it's up. You have to tie. It's not there. It's up. Straight bullet. Please.
The police officer just shot this woman. They shot her. We're trying to rush her to the hospital. Unfortunately. Oh yeah, go. We have to rush her. Go to Lagoon Hospital, please. Lagoon Hospital.
As you can see right there, what Lagos State government is doing is not just bad. This is wicked. Wicked in the sense that they know the law, they make the law, yet they violate the law that they make by themselves because they feel that the people who they are demolishing their houses and the area that they are targeting, they believe that there is nobody to take up that challenge and challenge them in terms of legality and the legitimacy of the area that they are demolishing. And the worst part in this whole scenario is that once they demolish the area, they are not demolishing and asking you to come and rebuild. They will demolish and take over the entire area. So what they are doing is land grabbing, displacing people without plan. Government policies are meant to protect the citizens. But here we are in Nigeria. Government are coming up with the policies that are anti-people. Now to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I don't know what informed this your decision to decide to recklessly demolish buildings and take over lands, properties in Lagos. I want you to understand that it will go down on history that the only thing that you'll be remembered for is the multiple illegal demolition that was carried on during your tenure as a governor of Lagos State. I would urge you to make haste while sun shines. This is your second tenure. It is not too late to make a U-turn, to do the right thing. I urge you to look into the plight of vulnerable Lagosians who are scattered all over streets of Lagos, homeless and hopeless, on account of Lagos State Building and Control, the agency that has been in charge of all the demolitions that has ever taken place in Lagos State. So I urge you, sir, as our governor, to look into this matter and do something to help the people who has been displaced from various locations in Lagos. This is what I have to say. My name remains Noel Akam Jr. Do subscribe to my channel and follow me on other social media networks for regular updates. See you in my next episode.